chemistry project titled wastewater treatment. We are treating wastewater using plants and plant extracts before releasing it to our environment. And here we are having our first chamber. Here we are having sand and gravel. Now this gravel will help us to filter off those pollutants with the big particles. As you can see that the peelings and the others with the big particles remained on top, and the sand will help us to filter those undissolved pollutants in this wastewater. And then the water will stay in this basin, which will act as our water reservoir, and then water will continue to the next chamber. This next chamber will help us to absorb heavy metals from this wastewater like the lead and the mercury, which may contain the lead. We will be absorbed here by a process called active transport, and it will also utilize phosphates and the nitrates from here, since when they accumulate in our water bodies will cause rapid growth of algae. It dies, it will be worked upon by bacteria anaerobically, producing methane to our atmosphere. Here for 3 days, and water is left to go to the next chamber. This next chamber is the one that contains our bio oil. This bio oil is extracted from cypress leaves, as you can see here, and eucalyptus leaves, and it will help us to the bio oil will help us to change the smell or the odor of the water, and it will help us to degrade the cloudy pollutants like the dyes and the paints here in this wastewater. And water will go to the next chamber. This next chamber is the one where we are using activated carbon, crush carbonized materials like the maize cones, as you can see here. Now after crushing them, we boil them with lemon juice, and after boiling them, like lemon juice, since lemon has a high concentration of organic acids, it will help us to scratch the surfaces of this carbon so that they become more rough, to adsorb more pollutants onto their surfaces. And lastly, we shall filter our water using cotton in this filtration column. Its pH is slightly neutral.
This is our chemistry project entitled wastewater treatment, and here we made our water treated our water using different chambers, whereby this tank is higher than this one, in order to let our water flow by natural gravity. When you presented this project at the national, you got this trophy in chemistry.